Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily if you're new here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the new Ohmistry project from Ohm Beads. This is called Happy Grave and it was designed in collaboration with Justin Aerni, who's an American painter, sculptor, author, photographer, and filmmaker. This bead was inspired by the fear, like an overwhelming fear of dying and not existing anymore. And one day, the artist, Justin, he stumbled upon this grave that looked like it was smiling at him. And he thought it'd be fun to create a bead where hopefully the wearer would find a sense of humor and peace with his death, instead of just fear and anxiety about such a sensitive and scary topic. So this is basically a little quick look and overview of this bead. It's actually adorable and I'm planning to put it on my Halloween themed bracelet. I did film an unboxing video of this, so stay tuned for that. It'll be coming up within the next couple of days. This video actually I'm making for my blog. I'm actually doing a full blog post, so if you'd like to know more information about this bead, more about the artist, where to find the artist, and hear a little bit more about the deeper meanings behind this, feel free to click the link down in my description bar. It'll take you right over to my blog post. This bead releases on March 13th, 2020 at 10 a.m. Pacific time zone. If this is one you'd like to add to your collection, there are only 111 made in the entire world. So if this is one you want to get, it's better to get it sooner rather than later. Anyway, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.